क्या पहन रखा है, शर्म नहीं आती है. I was body shamed into that also. A woman can't do anything just herself. That guy said, ऐसी जो लड़कियां होती हैं ना, जो ऐसे कपड़े पहनती हैं, ये ऐसे कपड़े पहन के दुनिया में घूमती हैं और फिर अगले दिन आके ना रोती हैं कि पापा मेरा हो गया.
सो नुपुर, कपड़े हो गए सोटे यार.
कितनी दुख की बात है यार, ये सोटे कपड़ों की वजह से ही तो दुनिया में वॉर्स हो रही है.
आई नो.
लड़कियों के कपड़े ही है तो जो प्रॉब्लम है ना पूरी
बिल्कुल.
दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी, वो
बिल्कुल
लड़कियों के कपड़े ही तो हैं.
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि शर्म ही तो नहीं आ पा रही है हमें सोटे कपड़े पहन के जो हम लोग
हाँ,
घूम
और
पा
क्या,
रहे हैं.
दुनिया का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक ये है कि लड़कियों के कपड़े, लड़कियों ने क्या पहनने हैं.
Yes.
और बस यही है, सारे ग्रंथों में क्या लिखे हुए हैं, और जो बैठ के बताने वाले हैं ना कि कौन क्या पहनेगा क्या पहनेगी, वो कौन है? वो बड़े बूढ़े हैं.
Yes.
और वो ज्यादातर
men who are not women are talking about what women are supposed to wear.
Yes.
And then these women, they are not making it easier
Yes.
for us at all.
Yes.
At all. We get it. I think, we get the conditioning, we get the mindset, but this is just plain sad. ये औरत की दुश्मन वाली जो कहावत ठीक प्रूव कर रहे हैं ना आजकल लोग. I honestly feel sad about it because you can clearly see.
Yeah.
you know?
एग्जैक्टली. ये जो बहन है हमारी, जो कह रही है कपड़े हो गए सोटे, वो क्या कह रही हैं? वो ये कह रही हैं इतना पल्लू ढक के, और जहाँ
इतना पल्लू ढक के.
don't want to say that because to each their own, but वो she is playing to the gallery, to men.
Yes.
उनके जो टारगेट ऑडियंस है वो उनसे बात कर रही है, वो लड़कियों से बात नहीं कर रही है कि आपको क्या पहनना चाहिए. उनसे अगर बात कर रही हैं तो उनको ये भी कहना चाहिए कि अपनी नजरें जो हैं, आईज अप हियर.
Exactly. But this is the problem. Pick-me's come at all stages of life,
Yeah,
apparently.
yeah.
Because this is a typical pick-me behavior. But kapde, I think this is one thing that ever since we have gained consciousness, we have heard about it, we have been morally policed about it.
Oh yes.
और हमको बताया गया है क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, क्या नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, according to society, not according to us.
Yeah.
Nobody's talking about our attire के तुम्हारे ऊपर ये अच्छा लग रहा है,
तुम्हें क्या पहन के खुशी मिलती है?
नो.
किसी ने पूछा है
No.
कभी भी?
नो.
मुझसे तो नहीं पूछा है.
सोसाइटी में एक्सेप्ट होगा कि नहीं होगा, ये सबसे
Yes.
जरूरी है. तुम्हारे कपड़े जो तुम पहन रहे हो वो सोसाइटी एक्सेप्ट करेगी या नहीं करेगी. मुझे तो, मैं इमेजिन भी नहीं कर पाती हूँ कि ये सोसाइटी कौन है.
एग्जैक्टली.
Who are these people? I imagine
कौन है ये चार लोग?
शायद मुझे लगता है घर वाले ही होते हैं ये चार लोग.
या मम्मी पापा दादा दादी.
Yup. 100%. 100%.
Okay.
But let's actually get into it.
Yeah.
कपड़े हो गए सोटे. Does this actually mean कि शर्म नहीं आ रही है लड़कियों को?
So क्योंकि हम
yeah.
यहाँ पे बात बहन चुगली करे की है, तो हम अपने कुछ पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस जो कि हम growing up, and because we are two women of two different decades, तो we have that thing going on. कुछ सवाल मैं तुमसे पूछूंगी, कुछ I think you have questions for me as well. So नुपुर, सबसे पहली बात, जो मैंने तुमसे अभी पीछे बात भी करी थी कि तुम मेरठ से हो, राइट? एंड यू आर अ वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर body positivity and a food blogger in your own right in Delhi NCR, right?
Yeah.
पर ये नुपुर की जो आज की नुपुर है, वो यहाँ तक आने में कितना टाइम लगा? क्या क्या इनेबलर्स थे तुम्हारे? और दूसरी बात, since we are talking about what to wear and who told us what to wear and what not to wear, tell me about it.
I mean, thank you first of all. It was really sweet. Very flattering. Got a lot of validation. But I think ke coming from a tier 2 city, my hometown is Meerut, and of course it's not like the metro cities, there's definitely a cultural difference and everything, and then being a woman there, and then being a young woman there,
Yes.
so it has all been honestly very very eye opening, because I have been in my hometown. I was born there, and then I was brought up there, and then I could move out to a metro city to study. So when I was little, I remember that, you know, a lot of relatives, and because you know how it is in, you know, middle class families, everybody's so closely knit, they are always in each other's business. I remember that there were so many people who would just randomly, and I was just a teenager, and at my home I would wear shorts and t-shirt. Why would I not do that? I remember especially women coming up to me and saying ke ये क्या पहन रखा है, ये शर्म नहीं आती है, कितनी मोटी मोटी जांघें लग रही हैं, कैसी दिख रही हो, शर्म नहीं आ रही है बिल्कुल भी, और घर में घूम रहे हैं लोग, दादाजी घूम रहे हैं, पापा घूम रहे हैं.
What did you say to that?
I remember my grandmother said that to me कि तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आ रही है, कितनी गंदी लग रही है, घर में दादाजी घूम रहे हैं, पापा घूम रहे हैं. I said, पर दादाजी और पापा मेरी टांगे थोड़ी देख रहे हैं. And she got very angry.
Absolutely.
But that's true.
Yeah.
Because I know that.
How can you sexualize your own child?
Yeah.
Right?
And I remember very clearly because I was very little. I think I was in class 6th or something when this happened. And I remember thinking, am I supposed to keep in mind कि मेरे दादाजी और मेरे पापा या मेरा भाई घूम रहा है, मुझे कुछ अलग तरह के कपड़े पहनने हैं, वो तो मेरी तरफ नहीं देख रहे हैं अजीब तरीके से.
बिल्कुल.
Am I supposed to actually do something about it? Which was not true. I think, and also that क्योंकि given my grandmother is a पुराने ख्यालात वाली woman and other relatives also, whatever their things are, but my mother and my father are people who have never, and I'm so thankful for it, they have never ever made me feel like this is something that I can wear and this is something that I cannot wear. I have never been
I think
told.
that reflects in
Yes.
in the chatpati kapde that you wear.
Yep,
I love it.
Because me too.
Yeah.
I love clothes so
Yeah.
much. I
Yeah.
love चटपटे कपड़े so much. मुझे इतना मजा आता है. I was telling you, मेरा बचपन में फेवरेट गेम भी यही था कि मैं अपनी डॉल के साथ बैठी हूँ और मैं एक मम्मी की बहुत बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, अभी भी बहुत बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, शी इज अ बुटीक.
Yeah.
तो उनके यहाँ से ना कतरन उठा के लाती थी मैं पन्नी भर के.
Wow.
और मैं उस छोटी सी डॉल की ऐसे स्कर्ट्स बनाती थी, ऐसे टॉप्स बनाती थी, ऐसे चटपटे कपड़े में उस डॉल के भी बनाती थी. आई हैव ऑलवेज लव्ड क्लोथ्स.
Yeah.
And then because I was a bigger girl always, so it was not always just about ke because I'm a young girl so I'm not supposed to wear these things. This was also that because I'm a bigger girl, I'm a fat girl, so I was body shamed into that also. ये पहन रखा तुम्हें पर बहुत गंदा लगता है, ये कोई पतली लड़की होती है उसके ऊपर फिर भी ठीक लगता. I was this was
Yeah,
said
my
to me.
God.
I love चटपटे कपड़े और मैं पहन पाती हूँ और हमेशा से ही पहनती आई हूँ. One, because my parents are really chill about it. My father is, I have to hand it to him.
Yeah.
He is very, very chill about these things. And दूसरी चीज, because I could move out of the city and come to Delhi. I did my graduation from DU and then I stayed here for those 3 years and then for an year for my internships. तो जब मैं दिल्ली आई,
दिल्ली की हवा लग गई तुम्हें?
मुझे दिल्ली की हवा तो जो लगी, मुझे दिल्ली की हवा हमेशा से ही मुझे लगनी थी. मुझे पता चल गया यहाँ आते. मैं पहुंची और मैं देख रही हूँ बैडीज एवरीवेयर.
Yes.
लोग अलग अलग फॉन्ट्स में ड्रेसअप हो रहे हैं. कोई ऐसे लड़कियां कुर्ती उर्ती पहन के झुमके चमका रही है
Yeah.
और कुछ लड़कियां ऐसे क्रॉप टॉप्स पहन रही है. लाइक
Yeah.
we can do that.
Yeah.
We can do that.
Yeah.
Because we could not do that in Meerut. I could not go
So
out.
before you came
Yeah.
to college in Delhi, you wore the traditional normal jeans and top and all that,
Yeah,
right?
because I always had that chatpatapan
Yeah,
to myself.
Right.
I remember that it was always a little more extra than the other
Right.
people. But yes, they were more so in the societally acceptable
हाँ.
this thing.
तो जब तुम वापस गई या जब तुम जाती थी, because दिल्ली मेरठ तो है ही पास,
Yeah.
तो ये शिफ्ट जो था, it was noticed. I'm sure
Of
it was
course
noticed.
it was noticed.
What
of
happened
course.
then?
अरे everybody was talking about it. They were saying कि अरे बदतमीज हो गई लड़की, बिगड़ के आ गई है, इसको बाहर का पढ़ने भेज दिया.
Exactly.
ये तो कुछ भी पहन लेती है, कुछ भी पहन लेती है.
कपड़ों से जज कर लिया.
Yes, which is what always happens.
Yeah.
Does it not always happen? कपड़ों
Always.
से जज
Everything.
कर ही लिया जाता है हम लोगों को.
बिल्कुल.
Saying that, like, do you want to tell a story about how you remember that you were judged based on your clothes?
Yes. But वो तो खैर पूरे life, given I look a certain way, I have a certain skin color, my mother was always worried about it, कि ये color suit करेगा, ये color, which I understand, there is science to it, but it was not presented like
Yes.
that, right? कि oh peach color, pastel colors, नहीं नहीं तुम काली लगोगी.
I know.
Like you said, that fat.
know.
When did fat or dark, being dark, become a problem?
Exactly.
It's just let the person be. And it is mostly with the women, girls, whatever.
Yes. Yes.
खैर ये तो है ही ये I think being part of this South Asian community वो तो है ही. But एक चीज मैं तुम्हें बताना चाहूंगी which still has stayed with me, and being that I have nieces, I have my shout out to Kenna and her kids. They are my I'm their godmother and they are teenage girls, and being a auntie to them, I can tell you something which has stayed with me. This is when I was 13, and I was a late bloomer in terms of female development. I was not even chumming at that time. I was prepubescent, right? So, matlab kya hi? I was a bachchi. And it was Holi. और क्योंकि होली तो होली है, हम नीचे पहुंच गए थे 7 बजे और होली खेल रहे थे कीचड़ में और all that, and I was wearing jeans and a top and all that, and शमीज जैसे बच्चियों को पहनाते हैं. And I'm talking about, of course, more than 2 decades ago. But the fact is that I was a kid. And then होली में typically क्या होता है, बच्चे पहले जाते हैं, फिर बड़े आते हैं, बड़े खेलते हैं. तो दोपहर हो गई थी 2 बजे के करीब, and suddenly my mother had asked, she had just come down थोड़े टाइम पहले, and she was with the women folk. And थोड़े टाइम बाद I saw the 7-8 women folk who used to live in our building. They were all looking at me. I have that photographic memory. And suddenly my mother had that face of fear and embarrassment, and she pulled me and she said, "Chalo upar chalo." That's all. Then next day, she sat me down and she said that तुम्हें ना अब जो है थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, और तुम्हें मैं अब ना स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा अब तुम्हें पहनना पड़ेगा. तो और तुम अभी इस तरह से खेलने वेलने तुम चली गई, जैसे नीचे चली जाती हो, भाग जाती हो, लड़कों के साथ खेलती हो, ये सब ना, और ज़्यादा रनिंग वगैरह थोड़ा सा कम कर दो, अच्छा नहीं लगता है. And I'm gawking at my mother कि what even she's saying, what is she saying? And suddenly I am being made to realize that my body is changing in such a shocking way.
Yes.
In such a shocking way. And then I, as a woman now, I put 2 and 2 together. What must have happened? Of course, my mother never told me, but what must have happened is that picture that I have in my mind of the women looking at me was that obviously I was a kid. I was in a developmental phase, and I was holi ke rango mein and pani mein wet, and they must have seen this teenage girl living her life, being herself, and they thought that she doesn't belong here because I was a tall kid. She doesn't belong to be, playing like this. And they must have seen their men looking at me.
I'm sure, yeah.
Right? And they must have seen their men looking at me and thought that, okay, this is not appropriate. They decided on their own that this is not appropriate. They talked to a teenager's mom and they said, Basu, तुमने कैसे allow किया हुआ है इस तरह से? Is what I think the conversation must have gone, and I'm pretty sure this is what happened.
A young, small child being made responsible for grown-ass men who are gawking at a child.
Yes.
A tale as old as time.
Yes.
And this is so sad.
And nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed, yes.
Let me tell you, this is, I'm talking about 2 decades old story.
Yes.
Nothing has changed.
No, it has not.
Men and their gaze, I'm talking about middle-aged men, 50-year-old, 60-year-old, 70-year-old. And this is, everything is so. Now circling back to the thing that औरतों को क्या पहनना चाहिए, हम ये क्यों नहीं बात करते हैं कि नजरों की बात अगर है, because you're looking at that girl, looking at the girl living her life, wanting to wear whatever she wear. Why can't you change your nazar? Why can't you look at women differently without women? No, girls differently.
Girls, young girls,
children, right?
Yes.
So that is the conversation. And what infuriates me is that women are actually supporting, upholding this pahad of patriarchy by telling women and girls and little kids, a 13-year-old Anushri, that this is what you should be wearing and this is what you should not be wearing.
Do you I agree. And do you remember there's this stand-up comedian, I'm not remembering the name. उसने बोला कि हमारे यहाँ पे ना औरतें ही सब कुछ करती हैं, औरतें ही सब कुछ कर रही हैं, उन्हें क्रेडिट नहीं मिल रहा है, यहाँ की पेट्रियार्की भी औरतें ही चला रही हैं.
बिल्कुल.
And he's right.
He's right.
He's right.
क्योंकि वो नहीं चलाएंगी तो उनकी पोजीशन खराब हो जाएगी.
Exactly.
जिस
They are
जद्दोजहद
victims.
से they have been victim and
But-
now when they have been victimized and they have reached वो घिस के घिसा के they have reached a position where they can hold some power, they are hungry of that power.
Of course.
And that
बिल्कुल.
power comes from patriarchy.
100%, because this is the kind of society that has
Yeah.
been till now.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it has to change.
Yeah.
It is changing and it has to change. क्योंकि
I am
कपड़ों को
pretty
लेकर
unoptimistic about it.
I mean,
Pessimistic about
yeah,
it.
yeah. बिल्कुल.
In India, things will not change, and given the environment that we are creating for our children, for our girls, I am not seeing the kind of, in fact, there is a lot of regressive,
Yes.
things that because of social media, कुछ अच्छी चीजें हैं, of course, बहुत सारी बुरी चीजें हैं. ये जो बात हम कर रहे थे, कपड़े हो गए छोटे. You have that power of the woman to express her opinion, but that opinion is not an opinion. She is playing to the gallery.
Yes.
That is what initial conversation was.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल I have 100% agree. Also, since we are talking about clothes, there's this one sort of logic that people like to bring to this conversation कि अरे अगर ये बोल रहे हैं कि इस टाइप के कपड़े नहीं पहनने चाहिए इस जगह पर, तो कुछ गलत बात थोड़ी है कि तुम मंदिर में बिकिनी पहनकर थोड़ी जाओगे.
ये
किसको नहीं पता.
और ये
हमें नहीं पता.
क्यों जाएगा भाई. हम औरतें क्या, अगेन एवरीथिंग बॉइल्स डाउन टू द फैक्ट कि औरतों को बताना पड़ता है.
That's not true.
We have our brains. We
Exactly.
have, अच्छा बुरा समझने की सलाहियत. We know what to do and what not to do.
I think men have been gaslighting women into thinking that they can't think for themselves.
That is the
But
problem.
it has actually started.
Sorry. We have a cat problem.
It's a good problem to have. So, since we are talking about clothes,
Yeah.
let's also talk about how a certain kind of attire projects a certain kind of image, especially for the women. Let's talk
बिल्कुल.
about that.
बिल्कुल हाँ, because हम बात भी कर रहे थे कि ऐसा नहीं है कि हम ये कह रहे हैं कि वेस्टर्न वेयर चटपटे कपड़े is the good thing, and it is absolutely not. It is what the thing is, pro choice. My body, my choice. How difficult is it to understand? मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, आज सुबह उठी हूँ, मैंने अपना वार्डरोब खोला है, मुझे आज साड़ी पहननी है, मुझे आज सलवार कमीज पहनना है, मुझे आज जीन्स पहनना है, मुझे आज क्रॉप टॉप पहनना है. ये मेरे मूड पे डिपेंड करना चाहिए, ना कि ये कि मुझे यहाँ जाना है तो मुझे ये इसलिए पहनना है कि वहाँ पे अलाउड नहीं है.
I'm so
That is the
angry
problem.
about the fact कि ये हमें बोलना भी पड़ रहा है कि
Yeah.
मुझे मेरी मर्जी के कपड़े पहनने हैं.
Yeah,
And it's a whole conversation.
absolutely.
We are having this entire episode
Yes.
because we have to assert it
Yes.
कि मेरी बॉडी है, मैं हूँ और मुझे इस तरीके के कपड़े जिस तरीके पहनने दो.
Absolutely.
It's bizarre.
अच्छा, मैं ये भी I'll as I'm growing older, I don't know, I hope not it's conditioning, but I feel more comfortable with the relaxed fits, with things which are not very figure hugging, which make me feel comfortable in my own skin and also make me feel elegant. It is something which is coming to me as I'm growing old, as what I want to wear.
Yeah.
It is something that nobody needs to tell me. But होता क्या है ज़्यादातर, especially with women who are aging, suddenly this whole chatter about age appropriate dressing, age appropriate, ये वो इतना घटिया मुझे लगता है, वो बुढ़ी घोड़ी लाल लगाम वाला जो
Oh my
it is
God, it's
again a
triggering.
men's gaze.
Oh yes, 100%.
A men's gaze.
100%.
कि तुम तो इतनी उम्र की हो गई हो. Hating on and shaming Rekha, the legendary Rekha, suddenly putting people on pedestal who wear a certain way, who don't do makeup and all. Again, it is something that their choice. It is not यू कैनॉट से दैट ये तुम पे अच्छा लग रहा है और ये तुम पे नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. उसको भी दिखाई दे रहा है ब्रो.
Exactly. वो
ये उस
कहना
पे अच्छा लग
चाहती है.
ठीक है, तुम मत देखो ना.
Honestly, I have this very elder family member in a closed, family setting. And I love that about her. She loves wearing clothes.
Yeah.
She loves wearing new suits.
Yeah.
She likes putting
Yeah.
on lipsticks. And
Yeah.
mind you, she's 80.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Wow.
And she loves putting on lipstick
Yeah.
and perfumes and having those handbags.
Yeah.
She loves it. And the way women in the family talk about her,
Yeah.
you would be, honestly,
कि
would not
क्या
be
ज-
shocked.
Because
Yes.
it goes to
क्या
that she's
जरूरत है?
sexually active.
Exactly.
That
क्योंकि
is
a woman can't do anything just herself.
No, even if
It
she
has
is
to
good
mean
for her,
something.
man. If she's an 80-year-old woman,
Exactly.
if she's fit, if she demands and wants sex, what is the problem?
Exactly.
And she wants to look good for herself.
Exactly.
What is
But-
the problem?
But it can never be about के
Yeah.
उसकी खुद की मर्जी होगी. She must be doing it for someone else.
Yes.
Again, coming back to
Yes.
that question, the way we dress in a certain way at certain places brings out different reactions, especially from men and also from women, because they feel like we are doing it for them. What do you have to say about that? I really want to know.
We are not. There is no. That's the shorter and the elaborate answer.
Yes.
We are
100%.
not. Whatever, however we are dressing, if I'm wearing a certain piece of garment that is for myself, on my mood, on the day, on the side of the bed that I woke up, it has nothing to do with my spouse. It has nothing to do with my in-laws, my parents. It has nothing to do with that. It has everything to do with what I want that day with my mood.
Exactly.
And my comfort. If I am PMSing, I am going to be, I'm going to be chumming very soon. So I will go on to, clothes which are comfy, which are
Yeah.
snuggly, which don't press on my, this thing, my
Yes.
perimenopausal system, right? I will go on to, those clothes. If I am ovulating, I'll go on to my,
Yeah.
it is my internal system. It has nothing to do with what I want, the gaze that I want. Yes, if someone genuinely compliments, whether it's a man
Yeah.
or a woman, if someone genuinely compliments, or you look at people looking at you and they look at you in that way that, oh, she's an elegant woman, this looks nice,
Yeah.
it lifts you up. That is all. It has nothing to do with that you messing up with my personal space or nothing.
But
You keep your opinion to yourself.
yes. And I think कि इतना ज़्यादा hyper focus कर दिया गया है ना कि a woman must be doing it for the man, कि when a woman is complimenting me, I'm like, oh my god,
Yeah.
I look so pretty. And when a
Let's
man is
talk-
complimenting me, I'm like,
कुछ
Did I
agenda है.
ask?
कुछ agenda है.
हाँ, कुछ तो
Unfortunately,
गड़बड़ होगी.
this is what happens.
Yes.
If a genuine man, genuinely,
Yeah.
charmingly compliments you, because we are this conditioned
Yes.
beings that उनको तो कोई मतलब है नहीं है, मतलब है ब्रो, वो शायद just compliment ही दे रहा है. But that's a rarity.
yes,
पहली बात
exactly,
तो. That's not
exactly.
that common.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
There's always that. But I don't want to say always. There are men who are, you want to let's drink to that.
There are men who are what? 4 decent men in my entire life. So
Yeah.
it's a problem of men who made it for themselves.
Yeah.
They've hypersexualized everything so much that if you're
Absolutely.
complimenting me,
Absolutely.
we are assuming.
वही बात है ना, पेट्रियार्की का इफेक्ट जो है आदमियों पे भी पड़ता है और पड़ रहा है. हो सकता है
पर हम मानेंगे थोड़ी, हम कम मर्द हो जाएंगे ना
बिल्कुल.
अगर हमने मान
क्या
लिया
कहते
तो.
हैं आज की लैंग्वेज में, सिंप हो जाएंगे.
Yes.
मुझे भी आती है थोड़ी थोड़ी.
All right. But
Yeah,
true,
yeah.
true.
हाँ, तो ये जो ट्रेडिशनल और मॉडर्निस्ट वाली जो
Yeah.
एक फाइट हमने, जो ये धरोहर क्या कहते हैं उनको, ठेकेदार है औरतों के क्या पहनना चाहिए नहीं पहनना चाहिए, उनके जो ठेकेदार हैं उन्होंने ही हम लोगों को लड़वा दिया है.
Yes,
और बोला है कि
100%.
देखो, और ये जो हैं ये इस तरह के कपड़े पहनती हैं, ये सर ढकती हैं, ये आंखें नीचे करके रखती हैं, और ये सिंदूर लगाती हैं, या फिर ये ढके ढके कपड़े पहनती है, तो ये तो अच्छी लड़की है
Hmm.
और कैरेक्टर इसका अच्छा है, और ये जो टांगे दिखाती हैं और ये जो मे बी क्लबों में जाती है, मे बी अपने पैसे, अपना बैंक अकाउंट खुद संभालती हैं और जॉब करती हैं, तो ये जो है ये घर तुड़वाती हैं।
हाँ, तो
ये
वो
जो
आंटी ने भी तो
narrative-
बोला था ना
Exactly.
कि पढ़ी लिखी लड़की तो कोर्ट कचहरी के चक्कर गड़वाती है,
Exactly.
those kinds, yeah.
So ये जो हम लड़कियों ने ये नहीं सोचा था कि हमें अपने में
Yeah.
लड़ाया जाएगा। ये जो लड़ा अभी सोसाइटी, that's why I said that things are probably not changing. In fact, things are getting more into silos. ये जो लड़वाया जा रहा है, ये जरूरत नहीं है, किसी को
I agree,
जरूरत
yeah,
नहीं है।
100%.
So हमारा जो आज का ये जो वेंटिंग सेशन है, चुगली सेशन है, it is not hating against any woman who is wanting to wear what she is wanting to wear.
This is the border, this is the bottom line.
Yeah.
That even if somebody wants to dress up traditionally, even if somebody does not want
Yeah.
to dress up traditionally,
Yeah.
whatever they want to do, bottom line to yahi hai na, if they want to, they
If
should
they
be
want,
able
yeah,
to.
absolutely.
And then it should not mean anything more than that this is what she wanted to wear.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
That is the bottom line.
Yes, it should not be about what kind of character that she has. It should not be about how serious she is about the work that she is doing or not.
Yeah.
Or if she is a behenji, or
Yeah.
if she is a,
Oh.
homebreaker. These are
ये
not the things that
labels,
should
man.
be. And
कपड़ों
how-
के साथ लेबल्स के साथ ये लेबल भी आता है,
बिल्कुल,
है ना?
100%.
स्लटी एंड
एकदम सिला हुआ आता है, yes.
सिला हुआ आता है।
सिला हुआ आता है साथ. So but
God.
this is the whole point. अगर जिसको जो पहनना है वो पहन पाए
Yeah.
और उसको जजमेंट ना मिले.
Yep.
This is what we have to, I guess, achieve.
Yeah.
And I think women are coming to that point where they're trying to achieve it. Otherwise,
Yeah.
we would not be thinking about it and we
True,
would not be talking
true,
about
true.
it. ये
Absolutely.
कंडीशनिंग है क्योंकि बचपन से हमें सिखाया गया था इस टाइप के लोग होते हैं और इस टाइप के लोग होते हैं जो
Yeah.
ऐसे कपड़े
Yeah.
पहनते हैं जो ऐसे पहनते हैं.
Yeah.
But we are coming out of it
Yes.
because ultimately it should not mean more than what she's wearing and what
Yeah.
she wants to wear.
Yeah.
So I think the extremes are balanced out there.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have, and this gossip is, this chugli is juicy, but it's also blood boiling. So I was in class 11th and we had this big group of friends. उस time पे क्या होता था? I had changed schools, so I went from a very nice, humble school to a very, very hi-fi school for my 11th and 12th. So वहाँ पे क्या होता था? वहाँ पे parties होती थी, बच्चों की birthday parties होती थी and people would wear dresses. But because it was Meerut.
हाँ.
So what they would do is if it is a sleeveless dress, they'll wear
Wear a
those
shrug.
shrugs
Right.
over it. And I have also worn a lot of them over it. And somebody would wear leggings under it and stuff like that. Why I'm telling you this is that this is about it. It stays with me to this day, and it is a very big wake-up call. It was a wake-up call for me to understand that not just men from previous generations, but men from my generation, my friends,
Oh yeah.
are also, they have shitty mindsets.
Oh yeah.
So what happened was, it was my birthday party. I finally got to throw a huge birthday party and I went all out. My mother did everything and we booked a very nice place and I invited, I think, around 50 people to a birthday party.
So cool.
Yes, and all my friends came and everybody was wearing dresses and everybody was, going to the washroom again. Sari ladkiyan ja rahi thi, so ready hoke aa rahi thi and it was so nice.
Yeah.
And I had the best time and all of my girlfriends looked amazing. They looked beautiful.
Yeah.
And there was one of my closest friends. She wore a very short dress and she looked so hot.
Yeah.
And I was so happy to see her. There was another person who was wearing a strapless
Yeah.
dress.
Bandeau. हाँ.
Yes, and
Right.
she looked so nice.
Yeah.
And the next day when we went to school and we were discussing about how good the party was, how fun it was,
Yeah.
the guy from our friend group, he said, तुमने कपड़े देखे थे? And I said, हाँ. And that guy said, ये ऐसी जो लड़कियां होती हैं ना, जो ऐसे कपड़े पहनती हैं, ये ऐसे कपड़े पहन के दुनिया में घूमती हैं और फिर अगले दिन आके ना रोती हैं कि पापा मेरा हो गया.
Yeah.
A guy my age,
Yes.
my class,
Because
my
आप इतने
friend.
से उम्र में जब आप उनको बताते हो कि ये अच्छी लड़की है, ये बुरी लड़की है, अपनी माँ को जब आप जो है
Exactly.
ऊपर बिठाते हो कि देखो मेरी माँ ने कितने सैक्रिफाइसेस किए, तो यही सही है. तब आप उन लड़कियों को जो वो अपने आप जो कुछ भी करना चाहती हैं उनको बुरा समझते हो.
I mean, imagine कितने साल का बच्चा होता है?
Yeah.
16-17 साल का लड़का.
To have that good
Is saying
and, you know, good girl, bad girl thing. Yeah.
What was he essentially
Yeah.
saying? कि क्योंकि ये लड़की ऐसे कपड़े पहनती है, ये लड़की होना डिजर्व करती है.
Absolutely. So you look at Bollywood, yaar.
Yes.
All films. I know we've hated on those, you know. अभी Cocktail by the way आने वाली है, पता नहीं क्या करेंगे. But Cocktail is the flag bearer of this.
Yes.
Flag bearer of this. कि
Meera
and Veronica. Who dances on top of tables. I
Yes.
thought she was badass, but
I agree.
yeah.
And I wanted her wardrobe so badly.
है ना?
It was so cool.
I know.
Yeah.
But who gets the guy?
How the fuck is the guy the prize? I lose my mind at
Absolutely.
this. How is the guy the prize?
Yeah.
The ending should have been both of them realize this is a shitty person.
She
You know?
agrees.
Yeah, yes. She has to jump. So
Yeah.
they had to realize he's a shitty person. Let's be together.
Yeah.
And let's be girlfriends and let's just have
Absolutely.
fun.
Absolutely.
This is what it's supposed to be. What is it?
This guy doesn't deserve either of them. Either of them.
Exactly. And how does a guy and his approval become the prize?
Prize.
It's
Oh, man.
beyond me.
Absolutely.
Do you?
So I really hope
Yeah.
Cocktail does better this time, because I have this very big fear that they are going to be. That's because if you really look at it, the two type of
it
girls
is
and all
very
that.
similar.
This needs to update. हमारा wardrobe update होना हो, ये update होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Yes. आपकी story about the cloth shaming wala thing, the chugli that you have. I want you to tell that to the viewers.
Oh, there have been so many, but before we get there, I want to tell you, because we were talking about boys putting mothers on the pedestal and all that. Bengali family, traditional Bengali family में अगर आप देखोगे तो one thing is, you know, sweetly common is that Bengali women wear these हाथ काटा we say that sleeveless blouses.
Yeah.
साड़ी के साथ, cotton साड़ी के साथ sleeveless blouses. My mother used to wear, and somehow it is part of the culture. कभी बुरा या अच्छा कभी again.
Yeah.
When you let a woman be, वहाँ का जो you know कोलकाता where my mother is from primarily, वहाँ का जो गर्मी है is very चिपचिपी गर्मी, humidity वाली गर्मी. So cut sleeve. In fact, वहाँ पे traditional भी no blouse वाला
वही
साड़ी
तो
था,
था
right?
traditionally,
क्योंकि
originally.
airy and all
Yes,
that, it's
of course.
comfortable. So cut sleeve blouse is very simple over here. So cut to my mother comes here, and there's a culture shock कि भैया North Indians they wear different clothes यहाँ पे, you know, सलवार कमीज और थोड़ा सा ये वो. तो but she continued wearing her cut sleeve blouse, cotton blouses and all that गर्मी में. And there was a gathering that happened, and she was there, and I'm a grown-up woman at that time. Okay, and we had a bunch of Bengali, so communities gathered together, right? So we had a bunch of Bengalis who were our friends and all that. So there's a guy who was part of our group, my age group. I'm talking about 18, 19 at that time, and his mother is there. My mother used to have these, you know, kitty parties and all. So he's also, क्योंकि गर्मियों की छुट्टियां थी, तो the kids are also there. We are playing trump cards and all that. And I hear my mother and those aunties talking कि ये है गर्मी है वो है. तो auntie commented to my mother that यार ये तो बहुत comfortable होता है, but जो है अब लड़का बड़ा हो रहा है तो मैं पहन नहीं सकती. लड़का बड़ा हो रहा है मैं पहन नहीं सकती. Yes. Later when I talked to my mother about it, so he said that apparently his son had a problem with his mother wearing cut sleeve blouse and going in public. And he had banned his mother.
Excuse me?
Yes. And
throw the whole son away.
And the father also probably had a problem. Because,
of course.
Yeah.
वहीं से तो आ रहा है.
Exactly. So that's why auntie stopped wearing. She would wear यहाँ तक के blouses. And और ये बात भी थी because she was a little गोलू सी and all that. So I remember these words कि आप बगले क्यों दिखा रहे हो?
Oh my
आपके
God.
इतने मोटे मोटे आर्म्स हैं, बगले क्यों दिखा रहे हो, आप ऐसे ही कपड़े पहनो. दिस इज व्हाट द पुअर गर्ल, एंड दैट इज व्हाई गर्ल, this venting session is so important. This is therapy,
Yes.
right? Chugli, or she was doing chugli about her own son, but this is therapy, and that is what I overheard auntie saying. And now, as a grown ass woman, I like, man, you should have kicked.
Yes.
And I have a son of 13 years old almost.
People are going to be shocked. I'm telling you.
But yeah, I as a mother of a teenage boy, if I can, I'll be mortified if he, I hope not, he's my son, but
Yes.
if he comes and says that this clothing variety woman is this, and this clothing variety woman is this, I'd give him a whack. And
Of
that is what
course.
that auntie should have done.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
God. Yeah, I know.
I remember from this that my brother, so we were going out to a wedding, and ever since my brother has learned to drive, so he takes us around and he goes with us and everything. So we are going there and we are getting ready. So I to wear whatever I want to wear always, and he has also seen this.
Yeah.
So it has become very normalized for him. My mother, she's conscious about her body, you know, like that auntie also. So she does not wear sleeveless a lot and all that. So, and then my cousin was also going with us, who was wearing a deeper this thing, and she was getting very conscious again and again.
ऊपर
हाँ,
पहनना
she
है
was
और-
saying कि मुझे लग रहा है मुझे नहीं पहनना चाहिए, क्या नहीं पहनना चाहिए. And I remember my brother saying this thing. He said कि फैमिली के साथ जा रहे हो, अगर यहाँ नहीं पहनोगे तो कहाँ पहनोगे?
Yeah.
हम लोग साथ में हैं. You say why not wear it? And she was worried कि family
Green
के साथ कैसे पहनूं.
forest, like your brother, like absolute green forest. Absolutely, this is what you need to be, and it has nothing to do with your idea of masculinity or whatever. It's just family. We are there, whether you are a girl or you are my mom or you are, you know, my sister, whatever it is, or a friend or a
Exactly.
colleague.
Exactly.
If you are there, that should be. You don't have to be a, you know, the guy who can beat the shit out of 5 people. If you are, good for you. Take care of yourself. And maybe if you're around me, you know, just be, you know, an idea that I have someone around me. Nothing to do with, you know, having an opinion about कि ये होना चाहिए और वैसे होना चाहिए. And that is why we need to, exactly that is what I try to tell my boy. And that is what I try to, because, you know, there's a lot of chatter on the internet. We
Like
have
all the red pill
the
content.
Andrew fucking Tates
Yes.
of the world out there, influencing boys how
Yes.
what is masculinity, what is femininity, and how women should be. This is exactly why mothers, this is
Yeah.
exactly why sisters
Yes.
who know what is right from wrong, they need to tell the boys, so that
Exactly.
maybe perhaps 50 years from now we don't have this
Exactly,
angsty
yeah.
conversation.
Yes, and can you imagine that a girl, and when I think about it honestly, I'm also realizing that I have been more conscious of wearing certain kinds of clothes in my family
Yeah.
rather than
ज़्यादा है ना,
within strangers.
है ना, बाहर जाके
Yes.
फिर भी लगता है कि
Yeah, I am what I am,
Yeah.
but with the family I'm like क्या सोच रहे होंगे?
Yeah.
That's so sad. Family is one
Yeah.
place you're supposed
Yeah.
to feel safer.
Absolutely.
And also all the time it has been women who
Yes.
point it out, because we know it comes from patriarchy. Men are the core problem, but as it is said कि when you fight patriarchy you have to fight sadly more women than men.
Yes. क्योंकि वो फुट सोल्जर्स होते हैं ना, सामने वाले
Yes.
फुट सोल्जर्स होते हैं, जो पीछे जो राजा साहब हैं उनको राजा बेटा या राजा साहब जो हैं उनको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं. उन फुट सोल्जर्स को अपनी तरफ लाना है कि भैया तुमसे लड़ाई नहीं है, तुम भी इक्वली इसी चीज से सफर कर रहे हो.
Yes. And I
Maybe
think
it takes empathy, maybe it takes a whack, I don't know.
maybe it takes ignoring them and shaming them.
Probably calling them out,
Yep.
whatever.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And I think the bottom line is कि कपड़े कितने भी सोटे हो जाए, उसका शर्म से तो कुछ लेना देना नहीं होता है.
हाँ, मगर अकल से जरूर होता है.
100%. हाँ, I think हम जितनी बात इस बारे में कर सकते थे, we have done it. What do you think?
I think it's never enough.
Agreed.
I think it is important to talk. और ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, like we were discussing, कि कपड़ों के पीछे क्यों पड़े रहते हो भाई. और
agree.
इस बारे में तो हमेशा बात हो ही सकती है, बट आज के लिए इतना ही. if you guys think what we said is resonates with you, आप समझते हो कि हमने कुछ तो बात आप ऐसी करी जो आपके दिल तक पहुंची, right?
Yes.
Then like, share, subscribe with all your behens or all your bros as well, right?
Yes.
And let us know. हमारी और बहनें आएंगी. We have a girl gang and
Absolutely.
they'll keep coming and we'll keep bringing these episodes. And so like, share, subscribe and keep watching. Our
Our Behan
Behan
Chugli
Chugli
Kare.
Kare.